Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to use speaking exercises on Duolingo. But first of all, I should tell you that the speaking exercises are not available in every language, so they are available in just some languages. Okay, so we open Duolingo app. And after that, we go and click on the three dots on the bottom right of the screen and go and click on practice. And as you can see here, when we scroll down, there is that speak. You have to click on it. And after that, it will tell you like speak loud and clear. You will speak 10 times in this practice set. And after that, you will start this speaking exercises and the speaking practice. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.